Welcome to Lake Forest, California. Today we'll be evaluating a new camera referred to as the Bullet camera. A high-resolution HD camera that is inside a machined aluminum housing. The front and the back seals are double O-ringed, and it can be easily turned on and off by a single button on the top. We will be testing that thing in a Delta Force 23-inch sniper. This fast electric boat has been upgraded motor, upgraded speed controller, and runs in excess of 70 kilometers per hour. The cameras will mount onto the stern of the vessel and will take some onboard video. But it's interesting to note when we compare the Bullet camera with the GoPro HD Hero camera, the frontal area of the Bullet camera is only about 25% that of the GoPro. So that means that we have a considerable more amount of frontal drag on the GoPro camera. Now, this greatly reduces what's called form drag, and at speeds of 70 to 100 kilometers per hour, this becomes very significant. The drag actually increases as the square of the frontal area. So having a tiny or smaller frontal area of the Bullet cam really reduces drag. The drag increases as the square of the frontal area, but the horsepower to overcome this drag actually increases by the cube. So therefore, the key to low drag is low frontal area, which is afforded by the new Bullet Cam HD. In addition, the GoPro camera in the housing weighs 6.6 ounces. The Bullet Cam in its spun aluminum housing, waterproof housing, weighs only 3.5 grams. So let's put the camera on this sniper and evaluate some results in Lake Forest, California. The Bullet Cam has been mounted to the top cowl, and it's on a special mount which can rotate and snap in for direct alignment. It is set up to view directly forward of the boat and include a slight amount of bow in the boat, and it will do that because of the wide angle nature of this camera. So let's put the Delta Force 23-inch sniper fast electric in the water with a new Bullet Cam HD.